Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Khirtute Lalpai Swaming in Tibai Ule Tungkar Chunga UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clearin nilawngai thang u January ni swamparuk tlaidar thumachanga ni swamparia janthenga Bangladesh ram khulna khopuya crusade nei zotaka ropuin lalpa ain puang He revival crusade a hian US le Spain atangin palai somli panga ankala Northeast India atangin Kolkata field director Reverend V Biaksanglia akalbok Speaker te Reverend Charles Robinet Reverend James N. Corbin Reverend Nathaniel Herod Reverend Ellen Sham Reverend Peter R. Biwas Crusade report tlangbui mipui pungkhom chimtu mi singkhat sang ni chuang mi sangsari velin tharawan dong thar damna chang mi sangsari vel omin hengjinga hian midel mi somsari panga vel bengong mi za vel taksa bok tumor mi somnga pathum zeng mi somruk pathum taksa pum zeng mi pakhat ru che ru na mi somruk vel taksana mi somnga vel chung theilo mi pakhat ten pathian ti damna ro pui tak choble chilin an chang ngal ani General Shwai to the program General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai Lole General Treasurer Reverend Zonghing Thanza Mete chuan tun pathian ni hian Zinchuak Lovin District Headquarters Kohhran tui khwatlanga hun an mangang General Secretary Reverend R. Larinsang Australia Zinchuan January ni somhe pathum ninga ni khandam takin aizol atheng Kantarlan to angin Reverend R. Larinsanga Reverend R. Lalhoyle Reverend R. Lai Chingpuye hian Australia General Conference manpuin January ni hi atangani li chung khan hun an mangtlanga Reverend R. Larinsanga hian Canberra le Melbourne te revival crusade nein rawngbawlna anei chunzom ani General Missions Director Reverend R. Lalhoye chuan January ni somhni pali atanga ni somhni paruk chunga Dimapur Field Conference manpuin rawngbawlna anei General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Lai Chingpuye chuan Tripura khopui Agartala rawngbawlna nein Sunday School Pauline Trainers Training an nei ani District Shangshang rawngbawlna chanchin Lunglei District January ni somhni pali zirtop zana tangkha Lunglei District chunga bial pathum Thenhlum bial chongte bial le tlabung bial te chuan bial conference an manga District Shwai tu ten heng conference an manpui ani tlabung bial conference voisom pangana hi chon pui local biak ina nei ani a District Superintendent Reverend C. Valel ena chuan he bial inkhom pui hi speaker ni in ahman puya inkhom pui thupuya hian Iswa Krista local le na ti chu man ani January ni somhni pali zirtop ni a PYD le LED ten rorel na nein January ni somhni panga in Rinia Sunday School Department le Kohhran pui de chuan rorel na an nei vele ani Thenhlum bial te hian changpui lokala an bial conference voice somhni pasari na hi mangin District Treasurer Reverend Silarin tuanga chuan speaker ni in ahman puya inkhom pui thupuya tan mizui ro u ti chuan mishing mantua ka siamang cheu mathaya bungli chang som pakwa chu man ani January ni somhni pali zirtom ni khan PYD LED le Missions Department ten rorel na an neya January ni somhni panga in Rinia Kohhran pui le Sunday School Department ten rorel na an neya January ni somhni paruk pathian ni chunua Bial Secretary Evangelist Pilal hun thanga chuan sacrament abwat sai bokang Thenhlum bial inkhom pui nei chung hian rampari lungmoi local chuan zain rawngbawlna anei bok chongte bial te po in an bial conference voiceomli pakhat na hi lungrang south locala nei ani a thupuya Babylon thurok ti chu an manga District Missions Director Reverend R. Vanel enga chuan han puya January ni somhni panga in Rinni Khan Bial Missions Department Kohhran pui le Sunday School Department ten rorelin January ni somhni pasari thotan ni hian bial inkhom pui dol tu lungrang south local ten pathian choi moina an neyang January ni somparia ta tangani sompoko chung khan sertlang pui bial thiang himna committee malangna in bial chung local shangshanga campaign hetiang hian nei ani South Lungdai lokala upalal biak moile evangelist Silal Ming chuanga sertlang pui lokala upa si Ming moile upa PC la ram thanga bor pui lokala upa si la lom thanga le rongbol tu sai zam liana sailo dengsur lokala pastor Tiza Ming liana le upa si Ming thansanga Lunglei District thiang himna committee malangna in local shangshanga campaign hi nei mek zelani a heba ka hian bial shangshang thiang himna committee malangna in mani bial chunga theu campaign hi nei ani bok thiang limna committee phalakna awang hian zuk le hmam ngei enge mozat an om to a hei ba ka hian kong chang-changa hlok na hmu tur a om to ani Aizawl East District rawngbawlna chanchin Aizawl East District Nuairo Relna Sang District Board Budget Session 2 January ni somhni pakhat le ni somhni pahnih chung khan District Committee Room a nei ani District Board hi Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Chuana Kaishwaya Rorel Palaikal Khom te chu bial to pastor anni anga bial ta na thenhem ngai taka ta thok turin fuina thu asoini Aizawl East District Board a hian kumsang ni somhni chunga kaushan puile District Department Changchangte Missions Department Sunday School LED baka PYD ten sang ni somni chunga tam budget estimate an siam chu clear how ani a siam that ngai ti siam thain approve ani heng baka hiam biak in sanction deal na te pastor quarters sakna tur sanction deal na le biak in hun lei deal na te chu alangsar zualte ani District Board hi Reverend Lalmal Somasailo General Superintendent Chuan Telpui Bukin General Mason na ane sang te baka machop te tarlan na nein palailom na asoi ani Aizawl East District chunga bial sang te chuan January ni somni pali zir top zana tangkhan bial PYD in khompui arwalin an mangmeka pathiani zana hian achia kang bial PYD in khompui a hian zir top zana tangkhan bial chen khachuan revival in khoma hun manghalin bial chen khachuan variety program in hun an mangthunga twal chung report ngai thakna hunata na mang an ombok January ni somni panga inrini ni leng khan bial chung in opnale district alutur baka kumsang ni somni chunga bial kalphung tur te ngai to in rorel in khom an nei hloma khompuya hian speaker shan pale thupui nei anom lain bial chen khata chuan speaker shan pa nei lovin bial shwai tu ten thu soi rawngbawlna an nei thunga bial to pastor speaker mang anom bok ani bial PYD in khompu hi district PYD shwai tu te chuan hun chang-changa hetiang hian an mang ani District PYD Treasurer Unaupa R. Vanalpe ka chuan sakordai biala ahman puya Unaupa Kelal Biangnunga Financial Secretary chuan Chingchip bial man puyin Evangelist Sila Remroa the Assistant Secretary chuan Bongkon bial man puyin Evangelist Sila Chuanga Vice President Evangelist F. Malsom Tuanga Secretary le Reverend R. Laltan Kima President te chuan Aizawl khopui chung bial chang-changa an man pui ani Tundin huna Aizawl East District chunga hian bial somthum ommekin PYD member kumsang ni som pakwa report atanga alandanin sangruk zaruk chuanga nommeka District PYD te hian zo khothar huna building an sakchu kumsang ni som pariat December thakhan hon aloni to a kholian bial dai dau huna rawngbawlna missions department ten tangkopin an nei mek bok ani January ni som parung ninga ni khan Aizawl East District Missions Department mai rawngbawlna nei turin heng mi te hi home missionary atan interview kal tlangalak ani a deal to enge mozat omin District Missions Department chuan anom na hmun tur po hetiang hian asiam fel ngala ani unaw nu sangkhu mi Bible woman kholian bial dai dawa Evangelist Vanla Rosiama Nor Vanlai Phai bial lungchhuana Evangelist H Lanming Moya khobung biala Evangelist HK Lanmangaya champhai bial champhai din thara Evangelist Vanlal Ngaka Bongkon Biaram Sports Complexa Evangelist H Lalbiak Zava Kohhai Bial Sial Hoka Evangelist H Malsom Thanga Champhai Bethel Bial Zote A Evangelist K Vanal Dika Trumpui Bial Trumpui Vengthara Unaupa H Lalfak Zwala Thingsul Khya Bial Khum Tunga Unaupa Ramhwab Liana Kolkul Bial Dulte A heng missionary lak thar te hi rahman ang chuan January ni somthum pakhat zirtom ni chumadar som pakhada district committee room a induction training nei tura ti ni in January ni hne pathiani zana tir chhuana nei tura rahman na siam ani bok kumsang ni som hne hian thia theicina district PYD molpui bial bazar bial champhai bethel local baka una param thiang hlima zema bok de hian home missionary an chom don ani January ni som pariat inrini ni leng khan thingsul khya bial Sunday School Department bot sain bial chunga zirtir tu te polling seminar bot sai ani he huna hian resource person Evangelist HR Larindika District Sunday School Secretary Zuhman ni in resource person hena tang hian zirtir tu te mo phurna sang te zirtir tu te ti turle ti lo tur sang te ngai thak ni in kal khom ten hlok thak an ti hle ani Sunday School Seminar hian bial chunga tengin zirtir tu mi somnga vel an kal khom the ani Sirchi bial Sunday School Department bot sain January ni som pakwa pathiani chnu khan ser thi biak in puya bial chunga Sunday school zirtir tu te pawla seminar hlotling takan nei ani boka resource person a unaw palan hmingmoy kolni an hmang ani he huna hian teaching technique ti hmangin resource person hena teng hian thu soi tha tak tak ngai thak ani a bial chunga tengin mi somruk chuang an kal khom theya lok thak an ti hle ani January ni som pakwa pathiani khan khobung bial khobung huna mi thar pakhat kaushana senglu ani Zemobok bial bung bangla huna po January ni som pakwa pathiani khan member thar pali senglu ni in naw pahni hlan an ni a Zemobok lungbial kaushana po member panga kaushana senglu an ni bok Trumpui bial Trumpui veng thar kaushana po January ni som pakwa pathiani zan vek khan mi pahni in suangai damna baptisma changin anjinga pakhat hi mi thar ni in kaushana senglu ngal ani January ni som pakwa pathiani zan vek khan keifang bial maite hmuna rawngbawlna nei bek h larin felati rawngbawlna kal tlangin mi som panga in suangai damna baptisma bial tu pastor vilal ni enga kuta an chang tharbok kolkul bial van kal hmuna rawngbawlna nei evangelist HMS zongki mate rawngbawlna kal tlangin January ni som pakwa pathiani vek khan mi parukin suangai damna baptisma an chang thara naw pakhat hlan ani baka nu patuak ni in kutsui chatna nei tir an ni bok district shwai to the program Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent Chuan North Mizoram District Headquarters BLPYD 10 Bial in Khompui and Manmeka Speaker at Changin Rawngbawlna aneya Molpui BLPYD in Khompui Rorela Atelpui Bok Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Chuan Ngaupa Bial 10 BLPYD in Khompui Selam huna an Manmeka Rawngbawlna nein in Khompui Ahmanpui Reverend R. Lianzama Missions Director Chuan Zemobok BLPYD in Khompui Manmeka Thusoi rawngbawlna in rinizan hian nein BLPYD in Khompui Ahmanpui Churachampur District rawngbawlna chanchin January ni somhne pali atang ni somhne paruk chung hian Churachampur District PYD Conference voisomli pangana parbung kaushana man anidona Pangzol Sectional Pastor Bilal Zamloy Speaker Androy Conference thupuyatan chanchin thaka za puilawang rombung khatchang som parukti an mang ani January ni somhni thotan ni khan Churachampur District Office mantur Xerox machine le money counting machine le thar chu hlan nan nei ani District shwai to the program District Superintendent Reverend Lazom le District Treasurer Reverend H Haunga mate chuan tun pathiani hmanga District PYD Conference parbunga nei chu an hmanpui District Superintendent hian chu Karthar hian Executive Board meeting turin aizol apanang District Secretary Reverend Paul Sechu Zinchuak Lovin District Headquarters Kaushan Lamka Hun Ahmangang January ni somhni pakhat tholeni tong khan Churachampur District level sumlepai audit na tho ani a Evangelist S Rauthangpuele upa pautin lalte auditor anni Longtlai West District rawngbawlna chanchin January ni somhni pali atang ni somhni paruk chung hian Longtlai North Bial Chuan Sectional Conference voisomli palina Longtlai Bazar Kaushan biak ina an hmangmeka Conference Speaker atan thingsai bial du Pastor Lomsang Zwala an Roi Don ani District Shwai to District Superintendent Reverend R. Ramthazola District Secretary Treasurer Pastor Lalsom Liana Sailole District Missions Director Reverend F. Lalbiak Trauma Detuan Conference hi an hmanpuya unaw nu silal examine conference chungin zai rawngbawlna anei thin bok North Mizoram District shwai to the program District Superintendent Reverend Laltuang chuan tun pathiani lo omtur January ni somhni paruk hian tlangsang biala rawngbawlna nein a fe chhuaka tlangsang bial hmalak na shangshang baka kaushan ram leitur a thli thlai bokang North Mizoram District chunga Pastor Bial somhni pakwate chuan January ni somhni pali atang ni somhni paruk manghiam BLPYD Conference arwalin an mangmeka BLPYD Conference January ni somhni pali zirtop jana tanin atung ni somhni pangani lengin kumsang ni somhni chung bial malak dan tur ro anrela inwini jana tungin revival program in hun manchunzom ani ang District PYD shwai 2 District Kaushampui shwai 2 de baka Department shwai 2 dangten heteng hiam BLPYD Conference hun an manpui District PYD President Evangelist F. Langai Oma West Paileng Biala District Secretary Evangelist K. Rautuanga Zol Nuam Biala District Treasurer Evangelist Vanel Peka Fan Ai Pai Nuam Biala District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Thenzol Biala, District Secretary Reverend Thiarpuya Durtlang Biala, District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusanga Sumsui Biala, District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantuanga Reek Biala, North Mizoram District Conference Kumsanghi Sompangaro Rela, North Mizoram District Chunga Kaushan Atheina Apianga, Pentecostal Men's Fellowship PMF Din Nisetia Alau Pasto Angin, North Mizoram District Kaushan Atheina Apianga PMF Hidin Sauzelani A, Kaushan Titaktu Ani Saumek Zelbok Ani. January ni Swam Pasari Zirtob Zankhan Headquarters Bial Chunga Mission Veng Thang Kaushana Avoy Khatna Atan, PMF 10 Pathian Biak Inkom Hoi Hotin, Member Za Asomriat Lai Inkom in Bul Antana, Ansom na Angin Kaushan Nule Pale Chalai Chanem Takin Antoy Ombok. PMF Inkom Hasaberhi, PMF Leader Kalchwakta, Unaw pa Vilal Tansu Anka Shwayin, Unaw pa CVRM Rot Puyan Tushi Rawngbawlna Anaya, Zaya Rawngbawlna Unaw pa Van Engzavan Anay Bok Ani. Tuna Mission Veng Thang UPC Kaushana Pentecostal Men's Fellowship Shwai Tute, Leader Unaw pa Alalom Zwala, Secretary Unaw pa Kelan Hunsangale, Treasurer Atan Unaw pa Albert Eltrai Tete Ani. Maubo Kaushana Loy Upazaw para Sumtho, Teng Singli mga North Bengal and Assam Missions Field Bedguri Kaushan Crusade na itu, tuang takanay ni in Crusade ni na misom ni bakat, Kumar para atanga misom le, Damdim matangin misom bakaten swangay damna baptisma ansang. Damdim hi Kaushan thar ni in, an Pastor Hovin baptisma ansanga, an vain misom libor ani. Reek Bial Chunga Christmas le kumthar man na tharaw thiang lim bawra kalzela, Pathian Chor Moina Chung ko Shang Shang Atangin Tumruk Lai Nei Anito. January ni Swampariat Inrin Ni Khan Uparem Siama de Chung Kwa in Pathian Chor Moina Nein, District Tirkau Ramtlan Evangelist Sizauram Tharazu Speaker Man Ani A, January ni Swampakwa Pathian Zantleng Revival Program A Man Ani. January ni Swamni Pakat Thole Ni Khan, Unaw Pa Zawthan Moy de Chung Kwa in Pathian Chor Moina Nei in, January ni Somni Pani Nilai Nia, Tual Upa Manga Izwale de Chungkwa in Choi Moina and Nei Chunzom Boka, February ni Soma, Tual Upa Raungura, Ray Ekten Patian Choi Moina and Nele Anga, Speaker Evangelist Sizauram Tharale Arongbawl Puitehman and Nile Don Ani. January ni Sompakwa Patiani Chuma in Kombana Khan, Baptist Makur Hon Ani A, Ray Ek Bill to Pastor Reverend P. Van Elfelen Pentecost Mila Ningailo, Mi Pakatu Swanga Idamna Baptisma at Santir Ani. Din Tharbial to Pastor Reverend Silal Tancho Azuan, January ni Swampakwa Pathian ni Khanson Pui Kaushana Loy Turin, Mithar Paruk Kaushana Asenglut. Son Pui hi kumsang ni Swampakwa atanga indang thar anni a, tuna hian member za somthum pakhat anni mekani. January ni Swampakwa Pathian ni Khansai hapui ke Kaushana member pathum, Uparam hakan Asengluta, January ni Swampariat Pathian ni Zan Khan Dampatlang Nuama member thar pakhat, Rawngbawlna to Evangelist Rin Moyan Kaushana Asenglut Bok. Ramhlun Kaushana Loy Upa JLL Thwa Moy de Chung Chuan, Persang Missions Field 10 Rawngbawlna Tura Combo Lane Tur Budget Bel Nan, Teng Sangthum Missionary Evangelist Isakla Rawluan Hena Lanin, Persang Kaushan Haute Anlom Le. Pentecost Revival Team Speaker Evangelist Sila Ratsangale Arongbawlna Puite Chuan, Kumkalta December ni Sompariat Sanghi Sompakwa Atang Khan, Hun Tharbial Sarang Kaushana Crusade Nein Rawngbawlna Anneya, An Rawngbawlna Pathianin Mal Asoma, January ni Somni Pania Po Anla Chunzom Zelani. Crusade Nei Chung Hian Mithar Chung Konhi Member Paruk Lomlu Toni in, Pathian Choi Moina Tumli Laya Omtoa, January ni Somni Pani Sangni Somni Nilai Ni Khan, Pathian Choi Moina Atum Ngana Turin, Unaw Nu Siam Pui de Chung Kwa Kaltengin Pathian Choi Moina Neile Anibok. Apostolic Revival Team Evangelist T. Vanel Ruatale Ahote Chuan, January ni Somni Pani Nilai Ni Khan Buchang Pai Kaushan, Bill Kothir Biala Unaw Pa Hallelujah Te Chung Kwa in Pathian Choi Moina Anneya, Speaker at Tangin Hun and Mang. Evangelist T. Vanel Ruatale Arongbawlna Puite Hian January ni Somni Palia Tanga, ni Somni Paruka Bial PYD Conference Sial Suk Bialten Annei Natura, Speaker at Tangin Conference and Han Puyanga, Genesis Bungruk Chang Som Pangatu, Siam Tharlena Ti Thupuin Conference and Mangdon Ani. Shiatirna Le Somna. United Pentecostal Church of Northeast India North Mizoram District 1, February ni Somparia Tachangani Somni Pangale, March ni Khathian District Kumsom Saritlin Lomna Hun Buatsai Anidona, Platinum Jubilee lomna hian North Mizoram District chunga member lo om to zongjong le pastor lo ni to zongjong telalpa iswang hingin lo tel vek turin kanin niana lalpa min kai shwaina awanga kumsom sari kan thlenna Jubilee a hian adu apiang min troi om turin lalpa iswang hingin kan soma cheu ole khati jong khatun tumata na UPC North East India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak hole theite ni e